Hey Aprentistas! This is going to be my last video of the semester, probably, unless I get special requests over the break, in which case I'll field them as they come. I know you got a lot going on this week, so I'm not going to make it super long. I'll get right to the point. You've got a couple small things to do this week. This video for learning materials, it's really left over from last week. Don't worry about it if you've already done the discussion for it. Now, week 18 slash finals week, couple tiny things. I'm going to ask you, if you haven't already, submit your research argument essay. If it's going a little bit late, just let me know. And that goes for all of your material for this course. Hit the big things first, get them to me. Just give me a timeline. I don't have to submit grades until, I believe, January 2nd. But don't let it go that far. Get me something. Talk to me. Zoom with me. Even though finals week ends, my Puente commitment to you is keep talking with me. If we need to arrange something or you need to run something by me, please, please, please do so. In Puente, we're looking for ways to keep you in and move you forward, not ways to push you out and hold you back. I want to keep all of you in. I want to see all of you in 1B in person. You can't shock me. I've heard it all before. So whatever is going on with you, whatever challenges you have, I want to hear them and I want to work with you. So, research argument essay, get that in if you haven't already. And of course your other 3 essays, those are the big hits. Tackle those first. Week 18 discussion, it says 10 points here. It should say 4. I'm going to have to change that. I'm just asking you what readings you like the most. Which readings would you have me take out of the class next time I teach it? That's it. No replies necessary. A couple sentences, whatever. Your final exam reflection, easiest final exam you'll ever take. Basically, it's a chance for you to reflect on what I've done well and where I can improve. It's also a chance for you to ask yourself where you've done well and where you can improve. Hopefully you know me well enough that this information is here to help you, and it's something that we can use to collaborate together. I'm not here to ding anybody on these, and there's no wrong answer, just as long as you are honest and thorough and specific. Those 3 things are fine. And again, I want you to hit those 3 points: honesty, specificness, and thoroughness. If you do that, that's a great step forward. That's a way to continue your journey on to being a master's student. Anyway, that one is worth 10 points. I'll change this to 4. You don't really want to take a look at me doing that. You've got more important things to do with your time. I am available. I do have office hours this week, or advice hours at the normal time, but I'm also happy to meet you at other times. I know some of you guys are really busy with family and school and other things, so I appreciate your dedication to the course. It's been a really great semester. I've loved getting to learn you all better, a lot of you through your reading, and some of you in person too. But I can't wait to be in person with all of you when we meet again in the spring semester. And if I don't talk to you before then, have a wonderful holiday break. Spend time, recharge, relax with your family and friends. Don't work too hard at your jobs. And enjoy your lives. I can't wait to talk to you soon. Take care, everybody.